back to my channel Beyond Beauty. My name is Sweeney, and after such a long time I'm filming a vlog. So guys, I'm in Mussoorie right now and आज है 8th of September, but most probably you guys will be seeing this video by the end of September. So yeah, vacation after such a long time, and I guess everyone deserves a vacation after this coronavirus and lockdown, staying at home for such a long time. And the weather is so amazing in Mussoorie. It was raining throughout the way. So yeah, guys, छोटा सा vlog बनाऊंगी. I'll show you where I'm staying. I'll show you the weather of Mussoorie, what I'll be doing. Also guys, one thing that I loved the most when I reached at Welcome the Savoy is they asked my husband while booking the room that whether there is any special occasion or not, and my husband told them that yes, we are expecting a baby and this would be our last vacation before the baby arrives. So they decorated the room with balloons and they have placed a cake for me, written congratulations on it. Let me show you that. I'm really happy, and that is such a sweet gesture. Hey guys, good morning. So it's day 2 of my trip and just had my tea. वेकेशन पे आने की, होटल में स्टे करने की द बेस्ट पार्ट इज़ you don't have to go in the kitchen and make tea for yourself in the morning. The best part is you just need to call and order the food and everything. So I just had my tea and let me show you the morning view. Right now it's really sunny, but पहाड़ों की तो धूप भी बहुत अमेजिंग होती है. तो let me show you the view. So this is the front view of my room. The complete hotel property is visible and there is a huge corridor where we can sit in the evening, chill. So guys, I'll show you my room.
갑자기 내게 나타나준 너, 난 아무 말도 할 수가 없었지. 첫눈에 반한다는 이야기가 널 보는 순간 이해가 됐어. 매번 야야야야야 불러 널 야야야야, 내 맘을 고백하려고 타이밍만 보는 나. 그런 나를 넌 보며 왜 그러냐고.
Oh my god, just look at this view. Oh, it's so cloudy.
I'm going crazy. I'm going crazy.
तो दिल्ली के काफ़ी लोग हैं इस होटल में, बहुत ज़्यादा लोग आए हुए हैं दिल्ली के. सो गाइज़, मुझसे इंस्टाग्राम पे मैनी पीपल हैव आस्क्ड अबाउट द डॉक्यूमेंट्स दैट वी हैव टू गेट वाइल ट्रैवलिंग टू उत्तराखंड. सो मैं फ़्लाइट से आई थी फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल. सो आई गेस उत्तराखंड बॉर्डर पे आपको रोकेंगे एंड दे विल चेक योर कोविड नेगेटिव रिपोर्ट एंड ई पास. सो व्हाट आई डिड इज़ कोविड नेगेटिव रिपोर्ट ली, नेगेटिव आई, देन उत्तराखंड की ट्रैवल ई पास वाली वेबसाइट पे गई. ऑनलाइन जाके मैंने सारी डॉक्यूमेंट्स फिल इन किया आफ्टर रिसीविंग द कोविड नेगेटिव रिपोर्ट, एंड देन उससे आपको एक एप्लीकेशन नंबर मिलेगा एंड यू कैन अप्लाई देयर एंड यू विल गेट अ ई पास. सो कोविड नेगेटिव रिपोर्ट चाहिए, ई पास का प्रिंट आउट ले लेना, सेल्फ डिक्लेरेशन फॉर्म भी भर देना. मेरा सब कुछ देहरादून एयरपोर्ट पे चेक हो गया था, लाइक ई पास एंड कोविड नेगेटिव रिपोर्ट. तो जब मैंने मसूरी तक कैब लिया तो ऑन द वे कहीं पे भी मुझे स्टॉप नहीं किया. सो आई जस्ट गॉट डन क्रिएटिंग कंटेंट फॉर द ब्यूटी को. दे हैव सेंट मी देयर products from the new range of chocolate and coffee, and I have to submit the content before 14th, as I'll reach on 13th, so it would be really difficult to create content. So I thought of getting the products along. मुझे बस एक छोटा सा वीडियो बनाना है IGTV का इसमें इन products के साथ. That I'll do tomorrow. Right now I'll take shower and I will head out. We thought of riding a scooter because मौसम इतना अमेजिंग था. We rented it for 300 rupees and we drove down to Cafe Ivy. मैंने बहुत सुना है Cafe Ivy के बारे में, and even hotel staff recommended us to go here. बहुत हाइट पे था with a spectacular view. बहुत ही basic and simple cafe है, but yes, look at this view. So this road is famous as Char Dukan because it has 4 tiny shops outside, and we went to Anil's Cafe, which is really famous for its ginger lemon tea. So guys, I'm back to my hotel and just remove the makeup. I'm really tired now. Backache हो रहा है थोड़ा सा, so I'll take some rest, lie down. But मैंने अपनी स्टोरीज पे शेयर करी थी पिक्चर्स ऑफ द होटल. बहुत क्लाउडी हो रहा था एंड एवरीवन थॉट दैट आई एम स्टेइंग एट अ रिजॉर्ट. सो अब तो काफ़ी टाइम हो गया इंस्टा स्टोरी को, बट या लेट मी शो यू द व्यू. इट्स सो ब्यूटिफुल. And this is the huge breakfast area in the hotel. I used to have South Indian every day because of my cravings, and honestly guys, the food was so delicious at the hotel. So now I'll show you something really interesting. All the Bollywood movies that have been shot here, उनके frames लगे हैं, and you guys guessed it right from my Instagram stories that I'm staying in the hotel जिसमें कबीर सिंह की shooting हुई थी. And these are all the pictures of the Bollywood stars and politicians who have visited the hotel and they have shared their experience. Guys, this is what I'm wearing for my pregnancy shoot that will be done by myself. Yeah. Hey guys, I'm all ready because I'll be clicking few pictures with my husband to post on Instagram. I'll be sharing with my Instagram followers about my pregnancy. It's really difficult to convince my husband because he's not comfortable at all doing all this, but yes, he has to do this. Next day we went to Lal Tibba, which is the highest point of Mussoorie, and you can witness the breathtaking view of Neelkant Peak and Kedarnath Peak with these binoculars. Also, it is a popular sunrise and sunset point. Later we went back to Anil's Cafe to have the ginger lemon tea and bun omelette, which we missed the other day. Guys, the hotel that I'm staying in, they have a nursery at the back, and let me tell you, I'm not even kidding, it's so beautiful, so beautiful. Let me show you. So the last day we just took a stroll around the mall road because weather बहुत ही amazing था. बारिश भी हुई थी इस दिन, and दिल्ली में honestly ये करने को नहीं मिलता है. Hey guys, so today is the last day of my trip, and tomorrow I'll leave for Delhi in the morning. And this was such an amazing trip. बहुत ही मज़ा आया, बहुत ही relaxing था, much needed था, and I really loved my stay at this hotel. Welcome the Savoy. I loved the weather of Mussoorie. पहली बार इस weather में मैं Mussoorie आई हूँ, so I loved the weather. It's so cloudy, and yeah. अगर आप लोगों को vlog अच्छा लगा है तो please subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon so that whenever I upload a new video you get notified for it, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, love you guys, bye.